Do you like cleaning and cooking? Why or why not? Do you like cleaning and cooking? Why or why not? I don't mind cleaning because it makes the house feel nice and tidy. It's a good feeling when everything is clean and I can relax in a neat space. However, I'm not a big fan of cooking. I like to cook only sometimes, especially when I'm trying a new recipe, but it can be very time consuming. I do like to prepare desserts. If I had more time, I might enjoy cooking more, but right now I prefer simple meals as I work long hours and have lots of children. Esta respuesta es un nivel A2 porque el vocabulario es básico relacionado con limpieza, cocina, como cleaning, limpiar, cooking, cocinar, tidy, ordenado, time consuming, el consume de tiempo. El conector because se usa para dar una explicación de por qué no le gusta cocinar y if se usa para hablar de una situación hipotética, que está bien para un nivel A2. Vocabulario clave que hemos usado: cleaning, limpiar, cooking, cocinar, tidy, ordenado, time consuming, que consume tiempo, simple meals, comidas sencillas, y conectores que hemos usado: because para dar razones, y however para contrastar ideas, y if para situaciones hipotéticas. ¿Cómo podemos mejorar a un nivel B1? Pues agregar más detalles sobre lo que te gusta o lo que no te gusta en esta actividad de manera más profunda. Por ejemplo, I really dislike cooking because it takes a lot of time and sometimes the food doesn't taste very good even after using expensive ingredients. También podría incluir el impacto de estas tareas en tu vida diaria. Por ejemplo, I don't mind cleaning because it makes the house feel nice and tidy, and I enjoy the feeling of everything being in its place. The smell is very calming. However, I'm not very fond of cooking. Although I like trying new recipes, sometimes it can be time consuming, it can be expensive. If I had more time, I would probably enjoy cooking more. But right now, I prefer simple meals like pasta or salads or rice and cooking the same meals to try to be healthy.